Hello, saxophone player friends. We're going to go through the song Rain, Rain today. Use this first playthrough as an example and come back to it as much as you need to learn the fingerings and how it's supposed to sound. Here we go. 1, 2, ready? Okay, so when you're in YouTube right now, if you go down to the settings button on the video, you can turn the tempo of the song that I just played for you down, or any YouTube video for that matter. It's in playback speed. Change the playback speed to like 0.75, maybe a little lower, maybe a little higher. You can go to custom and change the number to exactly, but make it less than 1 when you're learning with me, and that'll help you see slower tempo to be able to keep up with what I'm doing. The next thing that I wanted to talk to you about was a Sneak-A-Roo at the end of the song. We've got a quarter rest at the end, so when you go to play this, da 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 da, it's a Sneak-A-Roo, man. You're gonna play on that downbeat if you're not careful. So think to yourself, 1, 2, 3, 4, breathe. 2, 3, 2, 3. That way, you're guaranteed not to play on the note. One of the great tools in Smart Music is called the loop function. If you come up here to the top left, you'll see the word loop. And what we want to do is click the word set. We want to make sure this check mark for use count off between loops is on. And let's go ahead and set the increase to beat per minute by 1 every time. Also, let's slow this guy down. You don't have to do this. This is a tool in Smart Music, but in my mind, it helps people out. So let's go somewhere really slow, like that's really achievable. Let's do 60. The way that you set the loop is by grabbing the handles that appeared and dragging it somewhere to the end of where you want to be. And then let's pull this handle to measure 3. This is an example. You can use this on any measure in the song. When you go to perform, make sure that your part is turned on and that you're able to hear yourself and record with. Okay, I've taken that. When you hit play, you're going to hear it start. And since we're going slow, it's going to take forever to count off. That's our slow tempo. Now it'll count you back in, and you'll notice that the number over here turned to 61. You'll now notice that it's 62. It will keep doing that until you are solid and you get all the way up to the number 80. Use that feature if you want to. It's a great tool in Smart Music to help you learn fingerings and get better at playing the song. The last thing I wanted to talk to you about was just the articulation. So remember when I was playing the song, I was going, I was hitting that reed with my tongue. If you're not hitting the reed with your tongue, you're going to get it resent to you. I need to hear the articulation. This song is good about giving you chances to breathe. So when you're going through this, da 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 da, and then the breath mark, da 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 da, another breath mark, da da da, a quarter rest, conveniently placed so that you can breathe, and then da 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 da. And then we've already talked about this last quarter note. Breathe on that so that you don't accidentally play in the space. Da da. Make sure you play one air stream through those phrases before the breath happens. If you do that, you'll have no trouble getting the grade and the effect that I want from your music. That's it, guys. Have a great time with this song. Come see me in office hours or live class if you need help with it. I'll see you in the next one. You rock. Keep up the good work.